Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters. Today we're going to have a look at the Love from Lizi October 2022 card kit. I have the products as they arrive in the box and I'm going to take them out and we'll go through them all together. So first up, we're going to look at what comes inside our large bag of goodies, and there is quite a bit in this bag. So first I'm going to look at the cardstock, and we have 5 sheets of A4 American size cardstock. These are 8.5 by 11. We have couple of lovely colors here. So we get ivory, black, white, which is Copic coloring friendly and alcohol marker. We have soft corn and a bright orange color. So they're the 5 cardstocks that we get. So I'll just pop them down there. Now there's the 5. Lovely. Okay, so next we're going to have a look at the large sheets. Now these start off as 12 by 12 pattern paper sheets. You can see one here, and Lizi just cuts these down in order to fit in the Ziploc bag and in the box. So she has cut this one off here. It's got lovely pattern paper on the back. And this one comes with lots of really nice sentiments from "You're the man." That looks like my husband, only his beard is a lot grayer. Hi Mike, if you're watching. Happy birthday, we are family. Hello, you go girl. Karen actually sent me a message, one of my subscribers, and she actually said that, you go girl. So hi Karen, if you're watching. Dear friend, hello. Yes, you can. You bring me joy. You are the best. When we have each other, we have everything. And there's so many great sentiments on this page. So that's one. And we'll pop this here. Then we have another 12 by 12 sheet that has been cut down. And these are lovely. That lovely, really nice. I need to bring it down more. I'm so busy looking at the sheets, I'm not keeping an eye on my monitor for placement. I just love these. It's such a happy 12 by 12 kit. Oh my gosh, I was lost for words. I love all the images. These snails just make me smile. So big. I love the "We Are Family." I think that's me there. And then the houses, the baking, and the bicycles. The bicycles make me think of my daughter in the Netherlands. Hi Alicia, and our beautiful granddaughter, baby Jane. Hi. So that's the second one. Then the third one is this, and there's lots of sentiments in this. This would be great for just putting on a card front. Put your mats and layers down and away you go. You'll have loads of them there. I love that. And that's the pattern paper on the other side. And then we have this one here. So we get four 12 by 12 sheets that are cut down. And I love this. You could just have this as a pattern paper, even though there's a lovely pattern paper on the other side. Or you can cut these sentiments off and use them on your cards. So really great, and lots of great sentiments here. Give a little of your time, family reunion, make memories, love each other, game night, hooray, sunshine days, cousins, togetherness, grandpa, sparkle and shine, playtime together, so fun, grandma. Lovely, really lovely. So lots of sentiments and everything on that. Next I'm going to look at the paper pack. Now I think there's 18 sheets in this. That's what I counted when Lizzie showed the kits. It's a 6x8 paper pad, which I love. I know this is great for people that make the smaller size 4¼ by 5½ cards, but my cards are, majority of them are 6x6 or 5x7. So this paper pad for me is fabulous, a fabulous size. So there's lots of lovely images, and I think they're single-sided, so I'm not going to be stressing about which side I want to use. You can see here there's foiling on some of them. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely love that. And I'm going to quickly just flick through them. There's some foiling on this as well. I love that. Makes me think of my mum and my mother-in-law. This is a beautiful foil sheet. Be gorgeous on a wedding card, I think. Another lovely one. This is lovely too. Look at that. I love me a bit of foiling on my pattern paper. Really brings it up a notch, I think. Love the cups. Stripes. Flowers. The cars. Another beautifully foiled little flowers on pink. Love it. Some gingham, picnic baskets, and then some cut aparts, and some of these have all foiling on them, which is lovely. And then 2 recipe cards. So a great pattern paper pack there, I think. Really, really good. Okay, so next we have the pinstripes, and these have 3 different widths, very slim, medium, and then the larger ones. This color is called olive green, and it's a mirror olive green. I just think that is lovely, absolutely lovely. So we'll pop that there. Then next I'm going to have a look at the stamp set. This is a lovely little stamp set. We have our wreath, and it has our pumpkins on it. We have this one, which has little leaves. We have extra little ones there. I love this. It's like a butterfly trail, nearly. Then this lovely little icon with the pumpkin. Then we have some sentiments. Hello, autumn. Fall is in the air. Autumn love, and autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. So a nice little autumn stamp set there. Okay, next let's have a look in the ephemera pack, and we get quite a lot of goodies in the ephemera pack. So I'll open these over here and then bring them over for you to see. So we get some lovely little tags, and I know you can get the large full book of these tags on Lizzie's website, but these are lovely, and I love that they have you know, on the back, so you can actually write, you know, to and from, or a little message on them. I think they're lovely. So we get, let me just see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're quite thick. They feel like 300 GSM. They might be maybe 280, but they're definitely 280 to 300. So that's our little pack there. Now let's see what else we get. I've got some dies, and in this we get 3 dies. We get the shadow die of an oak leaf. Then we get the oak leaf where it's all cut out. Really lovely. And then we have this one, which is a just for you sentiment that we can die cut out. And I love these. These are always really handy to have. So 3 great little dies there. We get some wooden buttons. Well, they're not buttons, they're dots actually, but they're like a gem, only they're in wood, and they come in 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and a large. And they're handy. You can always take your alcohol markers and color those in. So another nice, unusual thing. We get some keys, in this kit 3 keys, which is always handy for a 21st birthday card or a new home card. These are metal. They're like an antique brass or antique gold, and they're really, really lovely. These would be great on a journal, or, you know, if you're doing something like that either. Really, really be nice for that. So you don't have to just use them in your card making. Next we have a little sample bag of sequins, and I love the colours in this. Lizzie has picked out the colours that's in the pattern papers and the cut aparts, and you can again buy the larger bag of this if you like making shaker cards, etc., and embellishing your cards. You can get the full bag from Lizzie's website. So that's our little sample bag of sequins. We also get some sequin ribbon. Now, I'm not going to take this out. Lizzie didn't take it out either. I just, you know, it's so nice in there. I'm going to keep it in the bag. But we get this, and it's a meter of each one. So a meter of the gold, a meter of the red, and a meter of the, it's like a copper color, but very unusual and really, really cool. Next, we get some photo corners, and these are in a rose gold, and you can use them as a photo corner, or you can just use them as an embellishment on your cards or your scrapbook panel or whatever you use your kit for. They're really lovely, and there's 8 corners. So I know you generally use 4 to an image or a picture, but you could just use 2, one on the top left and one on the bottom right corners. So yeah, cool little thing there as well. And then next we get some skeleton leaves. These are always so fine and so lovely. So let's have a look and see what I got. I know you might get some different colors in your kit, but I have some silvers and some golds. And I think, is this a lighter gold? Might be a coppery color. But yeah, that's lovely. And I have 5 of the little skeleton leaves there. So very pretty and very delicate. So that's everything that I got in the box. Now, there is an ephemera pack, and it's a big bag of ephemera. I can't share that with you because it's not in my kit. So Lizzie, if you're watching, can you pop that in the post to me, please? Yeah, so the ephemera pack, it comes with printed images on acetate as well as white cardstock. I'm going to leave a link to Lizzie's unboxing down below, so if you want to have a look at that, you can. So that's all the products that I have got in my kit. Now, there are add-ons to this kit. Again, I'll leave a link to the video down below so that you can have a look at all the add-ons. And there's also extra products that Lizzie has in the web shop. So if you want to have a look at that, I'll have a link down below. I did get sent this, and they're 2 of the bumper packs of Peeloffs. So these bundles are both in pinstripes. This is the naturals one, and it comes in white, mink, soft peach, apricot, brown, and a brown mirror. And they are always great to have in the stash. I love them. And then we have the metallics, and the metallics are a gold mirror, a silver mirror, rose gold, and then a copper mirror. So these are just fabulous. I love them, and I am so thrilled as a designer that I get these extra packs of Peeloffs. I do use them quite a lot in my crafting. I mightn't use them so much in my videos, but when I'm crafting here for pleasure, I do use them on my cards, and I love them, and I think they're a great accent. If you don't want to add mats and layers to your card, you can put your pattern paper down and then embellish using the Peeloffs, and it really does lift your card up. It really is so cool. So that's it. That's what I got this month from Love from Lizzie. I'm going to be crafting this week to get my 10 cards made. I know that Christy Marcotte already has her video out. I'm going to leave links to Christy's channel, The Best Things in Life Are Pink. I'm going to leave a link to Crazy Paper Chick, Alicia. She'll also be doing an unboxing and making 10 cards. There's also Ella Art and Craft, Alina. She'll be making 10 cards using these products, and then myself. So I'm sharing this video with you today, Sunday. My 10 cards, 1 kit is going to come to you next Sunday. So keep an eye out for that. And until then, folks, I hope you have a great weekend. And until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.